I call God and he ain't picking up. I guess I gotta face my demons now. Nowhere to run. Been running all my life. Don't know where I'm at. What got me here? Blame it on the weed and alcohol. It's the life we chose. Blame it on the weed and alcohol. Cause every day we young. Blame it on the weed and alcohol. It's the life we chose. I blame it on the weed and alcohol. Every day we young. I'm getting soaked in a cloud of smoke. My eyes feeling heavy. Swimming in the pool full of hate. Trying to open my eyes but the water murky. It's a cold way. I got 99, probably won't give you one. I got no mercy. Got an iceberg where my heart used to be. Got in two different worlds. They say I smoke too much, so I let the joint pass. Give me a breach. Last to a rapper, first in line. I take shot for the team. Straight to the chest. I lay down on the couch. It's getting hard to breathe. I can't open my eyes. And they're a jail trying to take me while I sleep. I never call it a drug. If they have, they